In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for files and folders in Google Drive. To get started, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're on the Drive homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can see your files and folders, and it's the best place to launch a precise search. Next, click into the search bar at the top of the page. This isn't just a simple search box. Drive includes powerful filters that help you narrow things down quickly. When you click the bar, you'll see search chips or an advanced filter panel appear. We're going to use those to zero in on exactly what you want. Begin by selecting the type filter. This lets you limit results to a specific format, like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, or folders. If you're specifically hunting for a folder, choosing folder here instantly clears out unrelated files. If you're unsure, pick the format you most expect. You can always change it if the results aren't what you need. Now, click on People. This is especially useful when you're looking for files owned by someone else or shared with you by a teammate. Start typing a person's name or email and choose the correct contact from the suggestions. Drive will then show results that match that person's involvement, which is perfect for finding collaborative files without sifting through everything you own. Next, click on Modified. This filter lets you set a time frame such as today, last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom date range. If you remember working on a file last week or a teammate updated something this month, setting this range can dramatically shrink your results. It's one of the quickest ways to move from hundreds of files to a short, relevant list. After choosing a date range, confirm by selecting the modified option you want. Once your results load, you can fine-tune the view by clicking the modified column header in List View to sort from newest to oldest or the other way around. This is helpful for bringing the most recent updates to the top or for locating an older version that's further back in time. A few quick tips as you search: combine type, people, and modified together for the most focused results. If you know a specific phrase in a title, try typing it in quotes in the search bar. And if the list still feels broad, refine one filter at a time rather than starting over. When you're done, clear your filters to return to your full Drive view. That's it. Simple, focused, and fast searching in Google Drive.